Imagine spending just $5 and getting over 5,000 clicks, hundreds of subscribers, and even instant sales, all without Facebook ads, solo ads, or SEO. Sounds insane, right? Well, that's exactly what happened inside this new system called Underground Commission Engine, a weird, hidden traffic source that's giving everyday marketers crazy cheap leads and sales on autopilot. In this video, I'll show you exactly what it is, how it works, the upgrades, and of course, a massive bonus bundle I've prepared exclusively for early buyers. To cut straight to the chase, this thing actually works. The traffic is real, responsive, and dirt cheap. You don't need any website followers or ad budget. It's beginner friendly and perfect for anyone tired of paying $1 per click on traditional ads. For a one-time price of just $9, this could easily be your new traffic secret weapon. Underground Commission Engine is a step-by-step video case study and traffic system created by Jeremy Kennedy. It reveals a little-known traffic source that Jeremy personally used to get thousands of clicks, hundreds of email subscribers, and daily sales, all while spending as little as $5 to $30 per campaign. It's not solo ads, not Facebook, not Google, not YouTube. It's something totally different. And you can get started with just a link and a short ad title. This is designed for affiliate marketers, digital product sellers, or anyone who wants consistent traffic without breaking the bank. Once you log in, you'll get access to Jeremy's video case studies, where he literally walks you through each test, the ad setup, the traffic source, and the live results. You'll see the $5, $30, and $87 tests that brought in thousands of clicks and real buyers. Then you'll see how to create your own campaign. It's super simple. Type a short ad title. Add your link, click start. That's it. Your traffic starts rolling within hours. You'll also learn how to use a free forever page builder and autoresponder to capture leads automatically and follow up with them using email sequences that convert. So you're not just getting traffic, you're building an asset that pays you daily. Now let's talk about the optional upgrades. These are completely optional, but they can make your setup faster and more profitable. Order bump, done for you, $19 50%. You get Jeremy's exact pages and emails from his traffic tests. Just import and go. Upgrade 1, done for you 19s. Same as the order bump if you skip it on checkout. Upgrade 2, social safe list, $9.95. Get instant buyer traffic from a daily source. No website or content creation needed. Upgrade 3, $200 traffic test. Jeremy reveals what happened when he scaled his campaign to $200, how it multiplied his sales and leads. Upgrade 4, $500 pops, $799, a premium no website funnel that earns $500 commissions per referral. Upgrade 5, Warrior Chat, $9.95. Access a private Discord community full of buyers, marketers, and product creators with live chat support and marketplace access. Each upgrade adds more automation or higher ticket earning potential depending on your level. To make this deal even sweeter, I've prepared a premium bonus bundle worth over $2,000, completely free when you grab Underground Commission Engine using the link below this video. Here's what you're getting today. WP Swift Page Plugin. Speed up your landing pages for higher conversions. Soci Ultima. Drive viral traffic from top social platforms effortlessly. Lead Book Generator. Turn Facebook users into instant leads. WP Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers to your emails to boost urgency. Affiliate Marketing Thrive. A full video course to build and scale your affiliate income. Pin Marketer. Automate Pinterest traffic to your offers. Conversion Equalizer. Optimize and track your campaigns for higher ROI. Traffic Secrets Unleashed. Learn hidden methods to get free traffic daily. Opt-in Monster Pro. Create irresistible lead capture forms that boost signups. Email Profits Formula. Master the art of writing emails that convert subscribers into buyers. These bonuses are designed to amplify your Underground Commission Engine results, so you get traffic, leads, and sales faster than ever. But heads up, this bonus pack is limited to the first 25 buyers or until the countdown timer hits 0. Once it's gone, it's gone. Here's the bottom line. Underground Commission Engine works. The traffic is real, the results are consistent. If you're tired of wasting money on ads that don't convert or methods that take weeks to see results, This is your shortcut to instant traffic and real leads. Click the first link in the description right now to lock in your copy for just $9 and grab my exclusive bonus bundle before it expires. All right, that's it for this review of Underground Commission Engine. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, drop a comment if you've tried this kind of traffic before, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest, in-depth reviews of the best tools for online income. Your access link and bonuses are waiting for you right below this video. Grab them now while they're still live. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside your new traffic engine.